time for our Fundations Test. First, number your paper like we did for the last test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'd like you to try to fit this all in one piece of paper if you can. If you can't, it's okay. You can take a video of it, but I'd like it to be on one piece of paper so you can take a nice, good photo of it for me to grade. 1 through 5 will be sounds. 6 through 10 will be words you need to write and mark. 11 and 12 will be trick words. And number 13 will be one sentence. So, after you've numbered your paper, number 1, you need to write the 4 different patterns we have been using in this unit to make the OO sound. We've done 4 different double vowel teams to make OO. I want you to write all 4 of them next to number 1. For number 2, I want you to write the 2 double vowel teams that make the OW sound. One of them should also be written in number 1 as an option for OO, but both ways to make OW for number 2. For number 3, I would like for you to write both ways to make OI. That was a few units ago now, but you should remember 2 ways to make OI. For number 4, I would like for you to write all 3 ways to make There are 3 R-controlled vowels that make like in person, bird, and turn. So write all 3 next to number 4. And for number 5, I would like for you to write the 1 R-controlled vowel that makes R, like in the word car. So again, for the sounds, number 1 is all 4 ways to make OO. Number 2 is both ways to make OW. Number 3 is both ways to make OI. Number 4 is all 3 ways to make And number 5 is the 1 way to make R. Alright, for 6 through 10, these are all going to be words that have the OO sound in them. You need to make sure you're marking the syllables, the suffixes, circling your double vowel teams, and if there is a R-controlled vowel, make sure that gets circled also. Number 6, the word is chewing. It's a 1-syllable base word, chew, and the suffix ing, chewing. Number 7, the word is groups. It's a 1-syllable base word, group, with the suffix that makes the s sound, groups. Number 8, the word is spooky. That is a 1-syllable base word, spook, and the suffix that makes the E sound, it is not Y. Remember that. And number 9 is the word hooked. That is a 1-syllable base word, hook, with a suffix that makes the T sound, and it's not T. And number 10 is the 2-syllable word argue. This one has come up a lot. You should know how to spell it by now, especially if you have looked at my comments on Seesaw. So again, your 5 words, you need to make sure your syllables are only marked on the base words and not the suffixes. And make sure you are circling your double vowel teams, circling your R-controlled vowels. You should mark your single vowels and mark your suffix or your syllables. Number 6 was chewing. Number 7 was groups. Number 8 was spooky. Number 9 was hooked. And number 10 was argue. Alright, 11 and 12 are trick words. You just need to write them. They should be in your student notebook, so you can use that if you need to. Number 11, the word is enough. Like, that is enough. All you need to do is spell enough. And number 12, the word is the month. The word is the month July. July should start with a capital J. July. Alright. Number 13, there's going to be lots of OO words and 2 trick words in it. It's just 1 sentence. Make sure you play the sentence as many times as you need to in order to get all the words. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 words in this sentence. I tried to get a lot into one sentence. So I'm going to say it more than once. Make sure you pause and go back in order to get all 15 words. The sentence is, I put on my special blue coat and new boots to go outside in January. I'm going to say it in groups of 3 words. I put on my special blue coat and new boots to go outside in January. I'm going to say it again, kind of as a sentence flow with the parts. I put on my special blue coat and new boots to go outside in January. Again, make sure you have all 15 words, a capital to start, a period at the end, spaces in between words. Once you have checked all of your words and sentence, make sure that you submit a photo of your paper on Seesaw so I can grade it.